Welcome everyone to our video blog. It's the zenith of the year, or a little bit past the zenith of the year, coming towards autumn actually, the end of August, coming to September. And indeed, that's a very important part of the year for us because we are not far away from the World Day of Prayer, Unity's World Day of Prayer. So I think I'm going to throw it straight away to you, throw the ball to you, to tell us all about the theme this year for World Day of Prayer and what World Day of Prayer really means for us here at Unity and for the Unity Fellowship.
All right, thank you, Steve. Well, it's the 30th annual event of the World Day of Prayer this year. It was begun by ministers that were studying at Unity Village headquarters in the US. They decided it would be an amazing thing to do, to create an annual event where Unity could feel in touch with other Unity members in prayer around the world, because it is a worldwide ministry. Silent Unity exists all around the world in many countries, and of course prayer is universal. It's one thing that connects many people, is that deeper sense of connecting with a power, whether you call it God or universal life force, doesn't matter, connecting within that energy. So yes, this is our 30th year, and this year the theme is the Heart of Healing. We've been advertising it in our current daily word, and you can find details on the website. And the invitation is to join in with us, to be an active part of this energy of prayer, not just to send us names so that we hold in prayer with you, which we are honoured to do, but to also actively take part and feel that energy, feel the connection. Know that God is present and active, whatever we're experiencing. That profound energy is here as well. So we offer it to everybody to join us online for those who wish to do so. 12 hours we hold here at headquarters of consecutive prayer. Most of it is silent because we are taught to go within in the silence to hear and know God. So a lot of it is silent, but we do have meditations throughout the day. We begin at 9 o'clock with our daily word meditation. And then we have our midday meditation, which is based on our monthly prayer service. And on this special day, we also insert meditations from 3 to 3:30, 6 to 6:30, and then our closing meditation from 8:30 to 9, when we reconnect with everybody around the world and send the light out to the world.
Yes, it's a lovely moment, isn't it, when we actually light the candles and then we go out of this little room where we are here, this is where the World Day of Prayer is held here at Taplow, and then at the end of the day we take our candles out through the door over there and just have a moment in the darkness with our candles. We put them down on the ground and we leave them there. It's a rather lovely thing. It's like taking the light out into the darkness. To transform the darkness. Remind us of the date.
It's the 14th of September. It's always the second Thursday of the month, so it's the 14th of September. And if any of you online feel inclined to be here and be part of it, enabling us to hold that 12-hour vigil, we have 30-minute slots where we take it in turns. So in that time we're concentrated, we're focused, we're not falling asleep, we're really engaged with the process. If anybody would like to join us, let us know, because we can not only welcome you here, but include you in what we're doing. And it is a beautiful energy. This building gets so still, and there's a profound sense of connection and peace that you really feel. It's in the air, and so to be part of that is always a joy. I love this day. It's a long day, but it is so meaningful. Yes, you're very welcome to join us here too.
And of course, it's as we've been describing it, it's a day of fellowship, really. It's a day when we reach out and you reach out to us. We reach out to each other. And that brings me nicely to the next little item on our agenda. We've just got two things to talk about this time. One was World Day of Prayer, and now we're talking about our new Friends of Unity scheme, which is something that we're all very excited about, and we're about to launch it very imminently at the beginning of September. Again, over to you, Kimerie, to tell us more about that.
Well, I've been really desiring to find more ways to connect with everybody. Through COVID and lockdown, because of Zoom, we were able to do so much more, and many joined us because there was nothing else to do. And of course, life has opened up, people are active and busy and doing things. And there was a real sense for me of We're here to serve. We're here to connect. We're here to behold the Christ energy in each other. But we do that better when we're engaging with each other. So I wanted to find a way to build that community again. And how do we do this? And because Zoom and the digital world is so much what people do these days, I mean, it's how we connect. But we thought it'd be really nice to create a new package. So we have created a new package. Steve and Ruth and myself have been working really hard to design this, put it together. It's all on the website. You can find details about it /friend, so www.unityuk.org/friend, and it gives you the description of what we're doing, what we've put together. Really am excited about new possibilities here. And one of the things we're including in this package is a monthly Zoom chat, really, where anyone that's part of the package, anybody that wants to connect in this way, can join us on Zoom. We have a live evening meeting and we discuss Unity ideas. We'll have breakout rooms and it'll be no longer than an hour, up to an hour maximum. But it's all part of how do we engage more deeply? Because I know for myself, if I'm struggling and there's something going on in the world that I'm really finding it difficult, the best thing to do is to come together with another for support. I did it even recently with the prayer line myself, connected into that energy and felt so much better. And I know myself when I come online and teach and share ideas, I feel better. I hope everybody else does too. But, you know, so I know myself how important it is to connect. And this is what we're here to do. And to build that sense of family and unity within the UK. So this package is all brand new. We're launching it in September. So look out for details, go to the website and engage with us, be part of it. We need each other. It's not about struggling and being alone and how do I sort this out. It's about knowing God is here and being with people that can know that with you.
Yes, well, there's nothing to be added really to that, but that's wonderful. And you've heard it, and it's now up to you, over to you to take advantage of it and join us on this little journey of ours, or continue with us on this little journey of ours if you've already joined. I'm sure you have. Okay, well, that's enough from us now, and we wish you well and hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Oh dear, oh dear. Just think, yes, I'm sitting comfortably. There we